Switching gears onto something very interesting with Tesla's stock. And that is that a key ex-Tesla president, a key person, a key executive came out and said just recently, according to an SEC report, that he sold $274 million worth of stock since June 10th SEC filing. So within the last couple of days, couple of weeks, he sold off most of his entire Tesla position. According to research and data that has been reported in the past, it's estimated that he has cut his exposure of Tesla from 1.3 million shares about just a week or two ago to now only 150,000 shares as of the last trading day. So he's cut it down about 90% of his entire position. Is this just because he wants the money? He no longer works there? That's possible. But the thing that's important with this one executive is that he has been with Tesla since 2010. He worked at Mercedes as an engineer. He's been with Tesla since 2010, and he was a major role. He was one of the top 4 executives at all of Tesla. So he's been there since 2010. He oversaw the company's entire vehicle business before being named president of the Tesla heavy trucking unit in March of 2021. So he was just named the head of the president of the heavy trucking unit at Tesla in March, and now he's leaving. That's important. And he's not just leaving, but he's selling off his entire position. So did something bad happen, like between him and other executives? Did something bad happen at the company? Is the company he's not as bullish on it? What is going on? Why did he sell off so much of it? Because someone who's worked at Tesla since 2010, selling off 90% of their position, and someone who's like a major executive who's supposed to be leading the Tesla heavy trucking division, is just like, first of all, is the heavy trucking unit not going well? Is this going to be a problem? Is it going to be delayed even more? Are they experiencing a lot of issues? It also brings up questions about their recent batteries that they've been producing, because this guy had a major part of that. People are talking about the 4680 battery cells and these new batteries that they were supposed to have with the Tesla Model S Plaid Plus. Tesla Model S Plaid Plus was canceled completely. It was supposed to have that new battery. So obviously there are delays there, but it's just something that we need to keep in mind. Why did this person sell off $274 million worth of Tesla stock? Why did he decrease his position from 1 million shares, 1.3 million shares to 150,000 shares? And why did he leave so suddenly after being with the company for over a decade? He was just had, a promotion, being appointed the president of the heavy trucking unit. And why is it now that he's doing this? Some investors are concerned. I like Tesla. I'm invested in them. I've been invested in them for a while. But it just makes you think, why is he leaving this unit after just being given that raise, becoming the president of that unit? Why did he sell off everything? Basically everything of his position. In my mind, it's a couple of things. It's got to be that there's either some bad blood there, something happened that made him just not feel comfortable, not want to be there anymore, or maybe something happened with the company, and he just doesn't think that they are going to be as innovative and as breakthrough with their technologies as they're saying they will be over the next couple of years. Because it's one thing to leave, but it's another thing to sell off your entire position. So we'll see what happens with Tesla, but according to everything we've been hearing, is Tesla's been ramping up production. They have these 4680 batteries, and they are supposed to have, the new trucking division. They're supposed to have the Cybertruck and all of that. So it'll just be interesting to see what happens here. I'm still very bullish on them. I don't think it's something to be too concerned about, but it just makes you think, why? Why do you guys think he sold off his position? Why do you think he left so abruptly after being with the company for 10 years and just being given a promotion back in March? Why do you guys think it happened? Me, I think it's those two reasons, but I'd like to hear what you guys have to say.